Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best silver soldering kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any serious hobbyist or professional involved in metalworking, jewelry making, or intricate repairs. This video will provide you with an in-depth review of this kit, covering its features, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your specific needs and projects. Number 5. Stay-Brite SBSK Silver Solder Star 2000. This is the Stay-Brite SBSK Silver Solder, perfect for your soldering needs. It's brand new and sealed for your convenience. The Star 2000 designation ensures premium quality. You can trust it for reliable performance. With a precise 364-inch diameter, it's ideal for intricate work. It's the perfect size for many applications. This convenient 1-2-ounce package provides ample material for various projects. It's a great value for your money. It comes sealed in its original packaging, guaranteeing freshness and quality. You'll receive it in pristine condition. This product is ready to use right out of the box. Get started on your project today. What we like. It's brand new and sealed, ensuring top quality and performance. If you value pristine condition and peace of mind, this is the perfect choice. You'll have everything you need to start your project immediately, without worrying about damaged or used materials. What people say. Works on broken frayed stainless steel bicycle cables, for brakes, shifters, etc. Although the acid flux bottle says it isn't recommended for aluminum, I don't know why, it does work on aluminum. I just soldered some aluminum tabs on my drill battery case and it worked perfectly. Used this kit to braze my pewter whiskey flask at the seam. Worked perfectly. Temp to flow the solder is about 100 degrees F below melting pewter, but the flux worked magic with my propane torch set very low with slow, quick exposure. Number 4. SP7 Silver Solder Paste. Say hello to effortless soldering with our innovative silver solder paste. Its easy-to-use syringe makes application a breeze, perfect for both beginners and experienced users. This paste is designed for mess-free dispensing. Enjoy precise application with minimal effort, ideal for DIY projects and intricate tasks. It boasts superior electrical conductivity, making it perfect for electronics, instruments, and any application requiring reliable electrical connections. Unlike other solder pastes, it maintains its bright finish, resisting corrosion on various metals including brass, bronze, and stainless steel. With a tensile strength 5 times greater than conventional solder wire, it provides incredibly strong and durable joints. It also has a low melting point for smooth application. It sets instantly, preventing soldering failures caused by moving parts during the process. Plus, it's completely lead-free and non-toxic for your safety. What we like. This paste is incredibly easy to apply, even for beginners. If you're looking for a mess-free and efficient soldering solution for electronics or jewelry, this is it. Its high conductivity and corrosion resistance make it perfect for projects where reliability is key. What people say. I used this solder for fixing my wife's broken silver ring. The actual ring broke off the stone frame. I was very worried that under high temperature the precious stone could crack. This solder was advertised as having relatively low melting point, quick and reliable flux action, compatible with many metals and very good mechanical strength after solidified. Few seconds later the job was done. The semi-precious stone was not affected, ring appears to be much stronger than originally, the soldering has the same tone as rest of the silver ring and is completely invisible when ring is on the hand. This soldering paste delivered what was promised and can be recommended without any hesitation to all DIY persons like me. I've used numerous solder and flux combinations for everything between brass to stainless steel. Simply put, if you know how to solder, everything works as should. This particular product IMO has proven so useful and durable for many small repairs. I say small in all caps because the company sure isn't giving anyone their money's worth of the product. However, it's intended for little jobs and it works very well. I specifically used this for a small crack on an original 18th century cast iron cauldron. Brazing cast iron is the cat's meow, but there are risks involved, and being an original antique piece I wasn't comfortable. Overall, with proper preparation of the surface material, this worked like a charm. I also use this paste when soldering components on my custom flintlock rifles I build. From sites to barrel lugs it just works, minus the small quantity. Still worth it though, as it really is a great product. Work as described. I use this primarily for prototyping on double-side perforated PCB. Number 3. Oatey 50683 Safe Flow Solder. This is Oatey's 50683 Safe Flow Solder, a high-quality product perfect for your plumbing needs. It's known for its reliability and ease of use. It's a silver solder, ensuring a strong and secure connection. You can trust it for lasting performance. This 1/4-pound size is ideal for smaller projects around the house or shop. It's easy to handle and store. Even if you're not a professional plumber, you'll find it easy to work with. Get professional-looking results every time. This is a closeout item, so quantities are limited. Order yours today before it's gone. Choose Oatey 50683 for a reliable, easy-to-use solder that delivers professional results. Don't miss out. What we like. It's a closeout item, meaning you can get it at a great price. If you're on a budget but still need quality, this is a smart choice. Don't miss out on this deal. What people say. Solder lays nice and is easy to work. I used this on my first soldering job: shower valve, tub spout, and shower head. It all worked fine and the solders held. Item worked as designed. Soldered copper to copper and brass to copper. Used MAP gas torch. No leaks. Number 2. Oatay Plumbing Solder Kit. Introducing the Oatay Plumbing Solder Kit, your complete solution for all your plumbing needs. It's perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This kit includes a generous 1/4 pound of solder and 1.7 ounces of flux, ensuring you have enough for multiple projects. You'll never run out in the middle of a job. It's made from a high-quality copper, bismuth, tin, and silver alloy. This ensures a strong, reliable, and long-lasting seal every time. It meets the ASTM B32 standard and complies with the Safe Drinking Water Act. You can trust it for potable water lines. This kit is specifically formulated for plumbing and potable water line applications. It's the perfect choice for your next project. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for both experienced plumbers and DIY enthusiasts. Get professional results with minimal effort. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for plumbing applications and meets all safety standards. If you need a solder kit for potable water lines, this is the only option you should consider. It ensures your plumbing work is safe and compliant. What people say. Nice solder joints. Nice handy little assemblage of soldering supplies for potable water drinking water. There was even a little brush in the kit for the flux. It made really nice solder connections. No leaks. This kit is great for soldering copper pipe. The addition of silver makes joints made with this kit even stronger. The silver content of the solder is quite low but is fine for copper water pipe. What I really like about this kit is the flux. I use it for almost any soldering job. The perfect kit with everything you need except the torch for doing copper plumbing. It is lead-free, so it is perfect for using for potable water purposes. Number 1. Harris 5631 Solder Kit. This kit is your all-in-one solution for soldering projects. It contains everything you need to get started, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. It features 1 troy ounce of premium 56% silver solder. This ensures strong, reliable connections every time. A 6.5-ounce bottle of flux is included, providing ample coverage for your soldering needs. This helps prevent oxidation and ensures clean solder joints. The solder boasts a precise blend of 56% silver, 20% copper, 17% zinc, and 5% tin. This ensures optimal performance and reliability. It's cadmium-free, prioritizing your safety and the environment. You can work with confidence, knowing it's a responsible choice. The 1/16 diameter solder is ideal for a wide range of applications, offering precision and control. It's perfect for intricate work. With this kit, you have everything you need for any soldering task. Get professional results with ease. What we like. It boasts a high silver content for superior quality and performance. If you need a complete kit with high-quality solder and flux, this is the one for you. The included flux ensures a smooth and efficient soldering process. What people say. The flux made it flow right through the minute gap between the pipe and the flange, and when it cooled down, I could see the silver solder on the bottom of the flange around the joint. Worked very well at my first attempt at silver soldering. Solder and flux were perfect combination and welded extremely well to both metals. Use MAP gas and have surfaces well cleaned prior. Great product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.